You don't even know what you do. One little glance and I'm see-through. Every word that you don't say still hits me harder anyway. And I hate how my hands might shake every time that we're face to face. But I don't move, I just stand my ground. Terrified you'll hear my heart out loud. It's small things, the way my guard breaks down. Every time that you're around, I don't say it, but it's burning in my throat. Every secret that I wrote, you feel like mine in a way that leaves me bare. Like you see in every tear, I never meant to show you there. You feel like mine, like a truth I can't outrun, like a bruise under the sun, aching but it still feels like the one. You feel like mine. You don't talk much, but I'm caught in every broken piece of thought. In the quiet, it's all too loud, like my fears are shouting out. I just shake when you say my name, like it's tied to all my shame, like it might be everything to you. And I'm scared you feel it like I do. It's hard, but it cuts through my skin every time you let me in. I'm careful, but I'm slipping off the edge every time that you say my